How to customize the RI Gallery number 4 section. Open Edit Code and click on Customize Theme. Click on Add Section and select RI Gallery number 4. You can add a background image or choose a background video. Select the background media type and enable or disable custom height for the background. Adjust the background media's maximum height, including the settings for mobile view. Modify the background overlay opacity and enable or disable the noise background overlay. Adjust the layout width and modify the layout gap for both desktop and mobile views. Choose the layout type for desktop and mobile views. Select the first image and enable or disable custom height. Adjust the first image's maximum height, including settings for mobile view. Modify the first image's border radius and border thickness. Select the second image and enable or disable custom height. Adjust the second image's maximum height, including settings for mobile view. Modify the second image's border radius and border thickness. Adjust the content padding, vertical and horizontal, for both desktop and mobile views. Modify the content border radius and border thickness. Adjust the content background opacity. Add a heading and enable or disable custom fonts. Choose a heading font family and adjust the font size, including settings for mobile view. Modify the heading line height and text alignment. Add text and enable or disable custom fonts. Choose a text font family and adjust the font size, including settings for mobile view. Modify the text line height, text alignment, and top margin. Add button text and set the button URL. Enable or disable custom fonts for the button. Choose a button font family and adjust the size, including settings for mobile view. Modify the button line height and text alignment. Adjust the button position, top, and modify the padding, vertical and horizontal. Set the button border radius and border thickness. Enable or disable a button arrow. Adjust the rating star count and add rating text. Enable or disable custom fonts for the rating. Choose a rating font family and adjust the size, including settings for mobile view. Modify the rating line height, text alignment, top margin, and star size. Choose colors for various elements, including background overlay, first and second image borders, content background and border, heading and text colors, button color and hover color, button background and hover background color, button border and hover border color, rating text and star color, section background and gradient color, border color. Adjust the outside section margins, top and bottom, and modify the inside section padding, top, bottom, and sides for both desktop and mobile views. Enable or disable the full width section display. Adjust the section content width and background thickness. Enable or disable lazy load. Telephone receiver need assistance? We're here to help. Got questions or need support? Reach out to us. Mobile phone call or WhatsApp 9035671333. Blow with Meridians, visit our website, click here. We are just a call or a click away.